Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Yeah, you see me smiling a bit more in this one because this is one of my favorite cars. I'm in love. Look at the colors, and it was born this way. Presidential blue with parchment interior. I literally assumed someone just picked these colors, but I just checked the door tag, which looks like an original door tag. I just Googled the codes. It was born presidential blue parchment interior. Anyway, this is at a complete teardown, complete nut and bolt restoration by Mustang Restorations. Has a 347 blueprint stroker motor, Tremec 5-speed, a 380 posi rear end, power steering, power disc brake conversion, all new suspension, QA1 shocks. This thing is awesome. I love this car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures. That's where you'll find the prices. They're posted on every car we have for sale at volocars.com. Why don't you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see these videos as they come out, but you got to click the bell icon so you're notified. But right now the top is down. I'm excited. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, there's a fresh restoration. Actually, Mustang Restorations is right here in Illinois, 40 minutes away. The gentleman that owned this car lives out in Pennsylvania. He had the restoration done here. He flew in twice. He said he enjoyed the process of restoring it. He sold me the car because now he's going to do a Shelby. So you're getting all the hard work and money spent by someone else. It's turnkey, ready to go enjoy right now. I got all good stuff to tell you about this car. Underneath is all completely solid, you know, the floors, torque boxes, frame rails. The front suspension and steering is new. All of it. The control arms, the center link, all the linkages, bushings, ball joints, cotter pins. It's all new and it looks brand new. It's upgraded to QA1 gas adjustable shocks, new springs. The rear suspension's all new. New leaf springs, bushings, also QA1 gas adjustable shocks. And it also has tubular Caltrac traction bars back there. Real nice dual exhaust system. Sounds great. You'll hear it in a minute. It has a crossover pipe, Flowmaster mufflers, and it has the 4 GT tips coming out through the valance. You look up at the motor. It is a new crate motor, so it looks spotless. The motor mounts are new. Starter's new. The transmission is a Tremec 5-speed. The clutch, everything related to the transmission is new. The mount, the speedo cable, the flywheel, the linkages, all of that is new. Drive shaft is rebuilt. In back, it has a new 380 posi rear end. The fuel system's new, the tank, the sending unit, the lines, fuel pump, all that's new. So pretty much all the components under the car are still new. I think I might have mentioned, or no, I didn't mention, it has power disc brake conversion, so all of that's new. The rear brakes are drum, they're rebuilt, brake lines, hoses, emergency brake cable, all new. Again, this is Mustang Restorations. They've been around for decades doing just Mustangs. I have photos of this car taken down to just a shell. The body work is fantastic. It's all straight. All the gaps are right on the money. There's no problem areas. There's no cracking or blistering or nothing to apologize for. Laser straight. It is like looking at a mirror. It has the C stripes on each side. Really makes it pop. All of the exterior trim, all of it was replaced. The door handles, the moldings, louvers, rocker trim, mirrors, vent window frame. The windshield looks new. Emblems. It's not a GT, but it has the GT emblems, exhaust, gas cap. These are also new GT wheels. They were like $1,500. There's also a pile of receipts that come with the car. They're all chrome. 15 by 7s in front, 15 by 8 in back. New BFGoodrich tires, a little bit fatter in back, gives it a nice look. They added the GT fog lamps. That whole system's new. So the grille, the bumper, the trim, the correct antenna, all of that's new. Show quality. This engine bay is perfectly clean metal, painted semi-gloss black, all cadmium plated hardware throughout. The hinges are beautiful. Every component in here is brand new. The solenoid, the battery's bolted down, new cables. It has the paint OK stamps and crayon markings. New power brakes, new power steering system. All new interior. New cushions in the seats, new upholstery, new carpet, new blue seat belts. The whole dash, there's pictures of the whole gauge pod on a bench. It was all restored. All the gauges, the bezels, and they fit a tachometer in the middle spot right there. New dash pad, new visors, mirror. The steering wheel is either new or restored. But door panels, all the metal's painted inside. Inside this car is pristine. The lights are working inside. 5-speed Hurst shifter sticking out of the floor. And it has a premium, I think 300-watt digital retro stereo, and then a new dash speaker. A beautiful two-tone white and blue is just killer. Door jambs are all painted slick, all new weather strips, all new glass. I have a receipt for all the windows are replaced. The convertible top is new. It's a power top. It's white. The framework was painted, new weather strips. And I can see down in here where the original blue is. I'm glad I checked. I didn't know this was factory-born blue and white. So it's a 347 stroker blueprint crate motor. Comes with roller rockers. Comes with forged pistons and rods. Aluminum heads. Aluminum dual plane intake. It's got a 600 Edelbrock carb with electric choke. They put hypo manifolds on here. All new alternator, new water pump, pulleys. It's a Pertronix ignition, all new distributor, new wires, new 3-core radiator, the shroud, the hoses, the fan, all that's new. New horns. This is show quality. It's a beautiful motor compartment. I have pictures of the trunk, just completely gutted and down to just bare. It's all metal, all painted the beautiful blue. New well liner, new trunk liner kit, including the bag for the jack, the tire cover. It's got a really nice black soft car cover. Their sticker is right here, and I think there's one in the door jamb. Mustang Restorations, 40th anniversary. Cadmium plated bolts, new weather strip. Beautiful in there. It's just a beautiful car, and I drove it home yesterday. I purposely took the long route and went to the back roads, winding, shifting, downshifting. It did everything right. Goes straight, stops nice, rides nice, ran great, sounds good. It did it all. It did it all the way you'd want it to. This is one of those cars that's right. Everything in here, the knobs, the heater controls. There's nowhere on this car where you look in nooks and crannies and think, oh, I wish they would have done that. They did it all. Has to be in neutral to start. You can't ask for it to be better than that. My compliments to Chris at Mustang Restorations. Did a knockout job on this one right here. This finned tail panel, that's an option. Nice, nice car. That's my impression. Better get to volocars.com before someone else beats you to it. This car will not last, and the new owner of this car is not going to regret for 1 minute buying this one. If you go to volocars.com, there's plenty of ways to reach out to our salesmen. They'd be happy to answer your questions or concerns. They can also help with delivery and financing. Go to volocars.com. And remember, you got to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to be notified when a new video is posted. Thanks for watching.